Okay, so on 13 here, they want to know which of the following is a factor of 27x cubed plus 1. So I kind of intended for you guys to use the sum of cubes formula. A plus b, a squared minus ab plus b squared. So you would first rewrite each one of these terms as something to the third power. So this first term would be a 3x all to the third. 3 to the third is 27. And then the 1 you could rewrite as 1 to the third. All right, so now all your a's become 3x's and all your b's become 1's. So as soon as you do a plus b, you're going to find your answer. That's just 3x plus 1. Right, so that is a factor of the original thing. The rest of it, if you did the a squared, that would be like a 3x times a 3x. So that would be 9x squared, and it would be a minus sign. And then AB would be 3x, and then B squared would be plus 1. Right? So you'll notice that this one is not one of the options to choose from. So that's the way I kind of intended for you to do that one. There, you could have used what was called the remainder theorem, which was from earlier in the year. So basically it said, hey, if you think that 3x plus 1 is a factor, what you could do is you could plug in negative 1/3 for x into this original function up here and see if you get 0. Okay, and you'll see if you actually test it out that it does give you 0. All right. For this one, you would plug in negative 1/9, and you'll see that it doesn't give you 0. All right, therefore, it's not a factor. But it really wouldn't have helped you with these other two. There's not really a trick for those unless you're willing to do polynomial long division, which probably not. So, the easiest way is just to straight up know how to factor using the sum of cubes. So if you want another example to try out, try finding the factored form of this one. 125 x to the third plus 8. All right, pause the video, see if you can factor that. The factored form should come out to be something like this. 5x plus 2, and then 25x squared minus 10x plus 4. That should be the factored form that you get.